Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to make a recipe. I have made this one before, but everybody liked it so much, so I'm going to do it again with a little bit of a twist. Today we're going to make chicken, bacon, mushroom tortellini with Alfredo sauce and a whole bunch of cheese. Very simple. All you need is some of these tortellinis. I already have a pot of boiling water here in the back with some onions and salt in there just for flavor. Then we're going to go ahead and cut up some chicken. We're going to throw some bacon in there. We're going to saute some mushrooms, put the sauce in there. Then, of course, douse this all in cheese. We got two different kinds of cheese. This is Parmigiano Reggiano. And then this is just a different one. It's called butter cheese. So I enjoyed the taste of it. So let's get into this and see how this turns out. So normally I'd have all of this being done at the same time, but for demonstration purposes, I'm doing step by step here. So the first thing you're going to do is cut up all the stuff that you need. You got your bacon, you got your chicken, you got your mushrooms, and then I've gone ahead and shredded up my cheese. So what we're going to start off, we're going to put the bacon's going to go into the pan, cook down the bacon. Once the bacon's cooked, then you're going to go ahead and take out the bacon, leave the fat in the pan. I didn't say this was going to be healthy, I just said it was going to be tasty. Then you're going to go ahead and fry off the chicken in that bacon grease. Once the chicken's almost done, you're going to go ahead and add your mushrooms to it, get everything all married together. And as soon as that's done, then you can go ahead and put the tortellini into the boiling water, cook to the directions on the package. And once that's all done, we're going to marry everything together. You're going to add your Parmesan cheese, and you're going to top it then with the butter cheese here. Forgot to say, you got to add your sauce. That goes into the chicken, the bacon, and the mushrooms when everything's all sweated down and cooked to how you like it. Again, go ahead and spice how you like it. I like it a little bit spicier, so I'm going to add quite a few spices, but do whatever you want. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion. You could add some onion into this. It's a real kind of whatever you have kind of recipe. So I got my bacon all cooked up here, draining, sitting on a piece of paper towel so that the grease drains out. In the meantime, I went ahead and put the chicken into the pan that had the bacon in there. I took some of the fat out because there was quite a bit. I added all the spices. I'll put a picture of the spices I used right below here so you can go ahead and add them yourself or spice however you want. So the chicken's going to cook here until you're not going to be seeing the old Lord Almighty himself. When that happens, you're going to go ahead and add your mushrooms in to the same pan as the chicken. There's garlic and a bunch of other stuff in there. And you're going to sweat these down till they're cooked. So that's why you don't want to fully cook the chicken right at this point. You want to go ahead and add your mushrooms in there. Once the mushrooms and chicken are cooked perfectly, then you're going to go ahead and add your Alfredo sauce. I have mushroom Alfredo, fitting. Put that all together. You're going to want to clean out this jar with milk. If you have heavy whipping cream, I suggest use heavy whipping cream. Makes the sauce thicker. I don't have heavy whipping cream. I'm just going to use some milk just to clean out all the goodness. Once all of those are all married together and the flavors where you want it, you're going to have to add some spices. Maybe if you haven't spiced enough, or if you haven't spiced too much, you got to add some more milk. Then we're going to go ahead and add our cheeses here. Then we're going to add our bacon back into the pool. Once these have been cooked, we're going to add those in the pool. Everybody gets married together. I've seen a few people put this recipe into a casserole dish with more cheese, put it in the oven, then you got yourself baked tortellini. I'm not going to do that tonight. And there you guys go. Dinner is served. You got yourself your bacon, garlic, mushroom, beef tortellini with chicken, Parmesan cheese, some butter cheese, and Alfredo sauce. If you really want to get fancy, you can take a little bit more of the old Parmesan cheese and give her the old sprinkle over top, just like so. But the real question is, how does this taste? So let's give it a try. Okay. Got some bacon, got a piece of chicken, got some cheese, and got one of the tortellinis. It's so good. Like, you can't go wrong with cheese and bacon and mushrooms. It's just perfect flavoring. This is a recipe, you can do this in the slow cooker. I've seen a few iterations of it where people do chicken breasts in the slow cooker, add your sauce. People will add cream cheese in there. There's so many different iterations. Some people will add ranch dressing powder. I've done that in another video. So there's so many different, you can add some vegetables in here if you really want to. As you can see, I didn't. But it's completely up to you how you want to go ahead and finish up this dish. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys, and remember to like, follow, subscribe. You know, every like and follow, everything helps. If you want to see more of my cooking videos, you know, look in the links or the description below. You're going to see a lot of other cooking videos that I've done. If anybody has any ideas of future cooking videos, drop me a line. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. See you again next time.